Welcome to Algorepo. So today we are going to solve ugly number 2 LeetCode week 1 day 4th challenge. So let's see what is the question. So the question is that you have to find so you will be given n equals to 10, so you have to find 10th ugly number. So they will be giving position, so you have to find that position ugly number. So let's see first what ugly number means. So ugly number are positive numbers whose prime factor only includes 2, 3, 5. And one more thing, and will take one has initially has a ugly number only. So we will treat one as ugly number. So first we will have ugly number 1. So and we'll see if 2 is ugly number or not. So yes, because 2 prime factor is comes under 2, so this is 2. In the same way 3, 5. And what will be my next ugly number? So for 2 my next ugly number will be 4. In the same way, again multiply by 2, 8. Again multiply by 2, 16. In the same way for 13 or for 3, 6, 9, 12, and for 5, 10, 15, 20. So these are ugly number because this number has, so if we see here 2 into 1, so this 2 has only 2 factors, that is 2 and 1, and both are ugly numbers. And let's suppose take 9. If we take 9, 3 3s are 9, and these both are ugly numbers. And let's suppose take 15. So 5 2s are 10. So 5 and 2 both are ugly numbers. And let's suppose take 7. So 7 factors are 7 and 1. So 7 is ugly number but not 7. So this is not an ugly number. Let's suppose take 14th number. So 14 is ugly number or not. So the factors of 14 is, so let's take 7 2s are 14. So 2 is ugly number but not 7. So this is also not an ugly number. So what ugly number is? Let's suppose if n is ugly number, then factors of n, let's suppose I1 and I2 and I3. So this is the factors of n. So all the factors of n should be ugly number. Means the factors 2, 3, 5. Even 16 is also 16 is also ugly number. So 16 into 12. 16 into 12. So let's suppose n. So n factors are 16 and 12. So we'll see 16 and 12 both are ugly number or not. If both are ugly numbers, then we'll say that n is also ugly number. So this is it. So let's see how we are going to solve. This question. So let me erase this first. After that, discuss. So let's see. So we have some problem here. So let's see if, so what will be my brute force approach. So let's see. So this is 1 is my initially my ugly number is 1, and for finding next ugly number we'll just do, so 2 into x, 3 into x, and 5 into x, where my x will go from I to n, and this all numbers are ugly numbers. 1 to n, all the ugly numbers comes between 1 to n. So let's suppose x is 1, so 2. Next, if my x is 2 here, so 4. If my x is 3, so my value will be 2 3 ja 6, 8. In the same way, for let's suppose for here we'll take different variable so that we'll understand properly. Let's suppose we'll write here y, and let's suppose we'll write here z. So again, even for y 1 to n and all 1 to n, all ugly numbers only, not different numbers. So for 1 it is 3, and the next number will be 3 2 ja 6, 6, and again because 2 is also, because 3 and 2 both are ugly numbers, so 3 2s are 6, and again if I write 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. In the same way, for x equals to 5, z equals to 1 to n, so 5 into 1 5, again 5 2s are 10, because 5 into 2 both are prime factor, 5 3s are 15, so 15 also, and 5 4s are, because 4 is also prime ugly number, so 5 4s are 20. So we are, what we are doing, we are just adding. So first I have, so here my x, y and z values are increasing like this. So first we got 1, so my value is 1 for all. Again my value for again my value will be increasing 2 and 2. So I will multiply. So let's suppose we'll just take for x only. We'll just take for x only first. So first my x was 1. So my values will be 2 into x for second, for finding factors only having number 2. So first 1, so I will get 2, and after that I will insert this to x here. So 2 2 ja 4, so 4 2 ja 8. In the same way, because we also have 3 as a prime factor, we also multiply 3 here. So we have one problem. If we see here, because we have to find nth number 10th. So if you see here 10, so this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10th. So this is my 10th prime factor, right? So 10th ugly number, so we have to return 12 here. But if we see here, so 1 is my first ugly number, and if we see from here, this is my second ugly number, that is 2. If we write 3, this is my third ugly number, this is my fourth ugly number, fifth ugly number, right? But when we again we'll find for 3, we'll see that 3 comes here, 3 comes here between 1 2 then 3 then 4, right? So it is coming in middle of the number. So we have to find in proper way, because if I am 3 into let's suppose x y z values are 2, so see here, 2 into 2 4, 3 into 2 6, 5 into 2 10. So 1 2, then from here 4, from here 6, and from here 10. So how my index is increasing? So this is my 0th index, this is my 1th index, and this is 2nd index. But we have 3. We come here 3 is also ugly number. So I should write 3 here. So instead of increasing ith values for same, like for x y z, increasing same number like 2 2 2, I have to check if in between these numbers is any another ugly number is present or not. So for that we will use minimum concept. So what minimum concept is that what we'll do, we'll just do minimum of, so our formula is x square y into 3 and z into 5, right? So we'll do x into 2 minimum of y into 3 and z into 5. We'll find minimum of this number and we'll add to the, so let's suppose this is my result array. so we'll add the value here. And I will not increase, so if my I for, let's suppose my x value was 1, so I'm not going to, so it will increase to 2, but I will not increase for y and z, I will just increase for 2. So let's code, then you will get proper understanding what I am want to explain to you. So first of all, we have to create one vector to store values. For that, let's suppose I am taking result, or let's say okay, we'll name it as result. And first we will make size 1 and store 1, because initially we know that 1 is an ugly number. And after that I'll need 3 integers I, j and k, and all are equals to 0, because they are pointing to 0 index, that is value 1. So in result they are pointing 1. So what I will do, so because my array index will start from 0, so I have to see till my result dot size is less than n, equals to not n, equals, why we are not writing equals to n here, because our index start from 0, that is why we are writing n, because we have to find nth ugly number, that is 10th ugly number, that is here 12. So what we'll do, we'll store in result dot push back. What we will do, minimum of we'll do minimum of what was our formula. So result of I, right now it is 0, 0th index, so result of I, that is 1 into 1, this is 1 into 2, and also minimum of result of j, it is also pointing to 0 for now, and result of z into 5. So now we have stored minimum of that number, and will only increase whose number is minimum here. So if let's suppose after multiplying here, 1 into 2 2, 3 into 1 3, 5 into 1 5, so we got 2 3 5, so minimum value is 2. So my only ith index will be increasing, not j and z. So for that, what I will do, I'll check if result dot back is equals to result of I into 2, I will just increase I plus only increase ith index, and j and z will be remain same. In the same way I will also check I will also check for j and z. So for that, j, and this will be multiplication of 3, so it will be j plus plus, and if it will be z, that is z, it will be multiplication of 5, and I will increase z plus plus, and after at the end I will just return last nth index, n minus 1 index here. So what I will do, just return result dot back. So let's run now. Let me once again check it. Okay, let's run now. So we have error here, result of z into 5, so we have minimum of z. Okay, I have wrote here capital Z. I have to write k here, I j k, and I have to write k here, and here also k. I have initialized k here for that, and let's run now. Yes, it is finished. So test case is running. Let's see if my solution will be accepted or not. So yes guys, so it is accepted. So thank you guys for watching my video, and if you are new here, please subscribe, and if you have any doubt or have any doubt, please comment. I will respond to it. Thank you guys.